Gather round, my curious minds, as we embark on an expedition that transcends centuries, peeling back the layers of intrigue that enshroud ancient Egypt. Our guide on this enthralling odyssey is none other than the enigmatic Dr. Zahi Hawass. We're about to unearth the enigmas that he may have carefully concealed, shedding light on the shadows that dance upon the sands of time. From the colossal pyramids that defy the ages to the cryptic hieroglyphs that whisper tales of dynasties past, we are about to unveil the veiled, discover the undiscovered, and decode the mysteries of an empire that once ruled the Nile. So, my curious adventurers of knowledge, join us as we unravel the untold, revealing what lies beneath the surface of ancient Egypt, and what Dr. Zahi Hawass might have been hiding all along. Our quest for enlightenment begins now. Number 10. Traversing Time's Tapestry. Let's journey to the 1980s, where an ambitious Zahi Hawass, equipped with an archaeology PhD, steps onto the hallowed Giza Plateau. Amidst the majesty of the pyramids, he captures global fascination, ascending the Chief Antiquities Inspector and later the helm of the Supreme Council of Antiquities. Yet behind this radiant facade, an enigma takes root. Fueled by a thirst for recognition, Hawass treads an unconventional path into reality TV, starring in Chasing Mummies. Here, acclaim meets criticism, blurring the lines between showmanship and scholarship. Amidst this intrigue, questions arise about his financial undertakings, casting shadows on his wealth amassed from tours, lectures, and television. Credible voices step forth, shedding light on alleged transgressions. Accusations of mishandling artifacts surface, one account recounting Hawass shattering an ostracon he deemed unremarkable. These claims are bolstered by fellow archaeologists, painting a damning portrait. Amid accolades and controversies, Hawass stands accused of self-promotion, outshining peers and favoring allure over academic rigor. This intricate mosaic weaves the legacy of Dr. Zahi Hawass, a journey through time that unravels discovery's allure, confronting the shadows cast upon the sands of antiquity. Number 9. National Geographic's intriguing connection. Now, let's unravel a layer of Dr. Hawass's story that leads us to the heart of intrigue, his association with the prestigious National Geographic. Picture this. An annual honorarium of up to $200,000 from none other than National Geographic. It's a revelation that left both admirers and skeptics scratching their heads. This financial tie raises intriguing questions about the intersection of academic pursuit and financial interests. Was this a collaboration to further the cause of knowledge, or did it blur the lines between exploration and compensation? But the plot thickens further. These financial arrangements between Dr. Hawass and National Geographic triggered an investigation into potential violations of US laws concerning payments to foreign government officials. The questions became even more pressing. Was this a simple partnership, or were there deeper layers of influence and power at play? Number 8. A legal tango. As we delve deeper into Dr. Hawass's story, we encounter a legal entanglement that adds a dramatic twist to his own narrative. A courtroom drama that reads like a suspenseful novel, a 1-year jail sentence looming over him like a storm cloud. The reason? A dispute over a contract for the Egyptian Museum's gift shop, a seemingly innocuous matter that would go on to have significant repercussions. But fate has a way of weaving intricate patterns. Just when it seemed like the gavel was about to fall, an administrative court decree emerged, sparing Dr. Hawass from serving time behind bars. The legal tango continued, leaving observers wondering about the delicate balance between professional responsibilities and personal convictions. Number 7. Unmasking the Pyramid Pioneers. Prepare for a tale of audacious adventure as we explore a group of amateur archaeologists, Dominique, Stefan, and Peter, who dared to venture into the inner sanctum of the Great Pyramid. Driven by their theories and a touch of conspiracy, they scraped off a piece of history, a cartouche, and spirited away to Germany. The audacity of their actions shook the archaeological world, leaving us to ponder their motives and whether the quest for truth was genuine or misguided. Now, my fellow time travelers and history enthusiasts, if you're as excited as we are about uncovering the secrets of ancient Egypt with Dr. Zahi Hawass, then don't let this adventure be a solitary one. Subscribe to Ancient History, join the party, and let's embark on countless more adventures together. After all, who wouldn't want a little more mummy madness and pyramid puzzles in their lives? Subscribe now, and let's make history, well, history. Number 6. The Controversial Minister. Let's rewind and dive into Dr. Hawass's role as the Minister of Antiquities, a position of immense power and responsibility, yet not without its fair share of controversy. Amidst the backdrop of monumental protests, he found himself at the center of a storm. Critics accused him of ties to the old regime, corruption, and scientific misconduct. The echoes of unrest intensified, painting a complex portrait of a man whose legacy was intertwined with the nation's struggle for change. Number 5. The TV star archaeologists. Lights, camera, action. Dr. Hawass took an unexpected turn on the stage of reality television with the show Chasing Mummies. Suddenly, the world saw him not just as a scholar, but as a charismatic TV personality. Yet, as the cameras rolled, so did the controversy. Accusations of blurring the lines between showmanship and scholarly rigor emerged. Was this a bold move to popularize archaeology, or did it cast a shadow over Dr. Hawass's academic pursuits? Number 4. The Scholar and the Showman. The clash between fame and academic rigor takes center stage as we examine the complexity interplay between Dr. Hawass's undeniable influence and his scholarly endeavors. A larger-than-life figure, he's made bold declarations and reveled in his exceptional aura. And yet, critics have argued that his thirst for the spotlight sometimes overshadowed his contributions to the field. Was he a visionary guardian of Egypt's treasures, or did the allure of fame lead him down a different path? Number 3. Whispers of Controversy. Intrigue and whispers of controversy surround Dr. Hawass as allegations of domineering behavior and media courting come to light. Some accuse him of silencing fellow archaeologists and prioritizing personal gain. Yet, amidst the noise, a few voices acknowledge his overdue efforts to elevate the field. Was this a tale of power and ego, or a nuanced struggle between individual ambition and collective progress? Number 2. A captivating aura imagine. An elevator encounter that leaves a lady in awe. That's the power of Dr. Zahi Hawass's charisma. Yet, this unshakable confidence raises a question. Does it highlight his remarkable contributions, or sometimes overshadow others' work? As we delve into his journey, we explore the thin line between self-assurance and self-importance. Dr. Hawass's presence was magnetic, drawing attention wherever he went. But was this aura rooted in true achievement, or did it occasionally dim the spotlight on his peers? This dichotomy offers insight not just into his enigma, but also into the dynamics of recognition and collaboration in archaeology. It's a microcosm of balance between the individual charisma and collective knowledge. Dr. Hawass's story invites us to reflect on how personal confidence influences collaborative progress. And on number 1, embarking on the Enigma greetings, esteemed audience, as we embark on a voyage into the captivating odyssey that is Dr. Zahi Hawass's life. A voyage adorned with the twin mantles of revelation and dispute, driven by an unquenchable yearning for wisdom. Our expedition commences with the entrance of a youthful and driven archaeologist, armed with the accolade of a doctorate, onto the storied landscape of the Giza Plateau. But beneath the surface of this narrative, the echoes of notoriety and debate begin to weave an intricate tapestry that stretches beyond the temporal confines and geographical borders. This is not merely a chronicle of scholarly pursuits, it's an enthralling voyage into a life that blurs the boundaries between concrete reality and enigmatic legend. As we traverse the chapters of this tale, we unveil the layers of a personality that defies convention, an individual whose imprint on history is etched with both reverence and skepticism. As we conclude this expedition into the hidden depths of ancient Egypt, we're left with more questions than answers. And that's the beauty of history, isn't it? The enigma of Dr. Zahi Hawass' secrets continues to intrigue and inspire, reminding us that the past is a puzzle that we are constantly piecing together. Now, before we bid you adieu to this chapter, here's a question to ponder. What other mysteries and revelations might still lie concealed beneath the golden sands of time? Join us for more captivating explorations as we venture further into the labyrinth of history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ancient History, because who knows what secrets we'll unearth next. Also, whilst you're at it, press that bell notification icon to never miss an upload from us. Until then, fellow seekers of knowledge, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep embracing the wonders of our ancient world. Stay curious, and until our next adventure, remember, history is waiting, and we're here to uncover it together.